Another common question that we get from people is, I have no time, I have no money. How can I start a garden? So I'm super busy, and that tends to be the time when I'm busy and when I actually have no money that I lean on my garden. The garden becomes the place that I actually get to relax, and also where I get to save money because I can come out here and pick stuff to cook for dinner. So I would suggest 3 main things. Number 1, lean on your community. Gardeners are super generous. They actually love to give things away. They love to share seedlings, cuttings, seeds. So reach out to your community. The second thing is plan your garden based on not having a lot of time. Make sure the things you use a lot are really close to the house. I tend to run out this morning. My daughter wanted to make a sandwich. I ran to the garden, picked some lettuce, ran back in, and she got to slap it on. So put things that you use a lot close to the house and where you can see them a lot. The third point is be a lazy gardener like me. Plant the things that are easy to take care of. I tend to lean more on perennials and perennial greens and perennial ways to solve problems because then year after year they grow. You barely have to look at them as opposed to annuals. So plant a garden that doesn't require a lot of work and that's going to pretty much take care of itself.